find the gradient of line L. This is the line L. We have to find the gradient of this. So here they gave the graph. They didn't give any point. So to find gradient, we need at least 2 points. So we can take any 2 points. I am just taking these 2 points. So this is 0, 2 and this is 4, minus 1. Now, how will you find gradient? M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, what is y2? Minus 1 minus 2 by 4 minus 0. So, that is minus 3 by 4. So, the gradient of the line m equal to minus 3 by 4. What is the next question means? Find the equation of a line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Now we find the gradient. Y equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus c. So in order to find c is what? This y-intercept. So you just check the graph. Where is the line crosses y-axis? At 2. So the value of c is 2. So we are going to substitute 2 here. So y equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus 2. Yes, this is the equation of that line. Okay. Here, if you see, you can write here. I'm just writing y equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus 2 because they just asked in this form y equal to mx plus c. Suppose if they ask write ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form, you have to rearrange that equation, make this one. Okay. Now, what is the third question means? Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to L and passes through this point. Okay, so you are having L and this is the gradient of this is m equal to minus 3 by 4. Now, they are asking you to find a line which is perpendicular to this. So, if you are having two lines perpendicular to each other means their gradient m1 into m2 will be 1. Yes. So, negative 1. So, what is M2 means? This is M1. So, what is the perpendicular line? Gradient is reciprocal of this, negative reciprocal of this. Already since it has minus 3, so I am just writing it as 4 by plus 3. Yes. So, the reciprocal and negative. Yes, this is the gradient of perpendicular. So, using this, y equal to 4 by 3 x plus c. Now we have to find the value of c. For that, they gave the point 12, minus 7. So substitute that. Minus 7 equal to 4 by 3 into 12 plus c. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So minus 7 equal to 16 plus c. c equal to minus 23. Now if we substitute in this, the equation of the line is 4 by 3x minus 23. So this is the answer.